Alright, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo. And as you can see, it came with a sleeve covering the normal Zippo black box, and it says "Where's Windy?" and it's a new item. Also on the side above the barcode, same thing. There's the Zippo box. Also says "Where's Windy?" on the back cover. And there's the idiotic P65 California warning. Okay, here is the Zippo. And somewhere in that mess is Windy. Now, one of the Windy lighters that I have is right here. You can see that's what Windy looks like, and if you look close, you can probably find her. Right about there. She has the yellow coat on with the red feather. And you can see she's got a Zippo in her hand. So that is the Where's Windy Zippo. And it's on a black matte finish. And it looks like it was made in H of 19, which I believe is August. It's got a steel insert. Makes a nice fire. It's got a real good sound. Let's do a drop test on Windy. See if she stays lit. Okay, so Windy passed the drop test. That is going into my collection, probably never to be used again. And it definitely deserves some cowbell. Knuckle bomb.